If you want to go ahead and search for people on TikTok, it's very easy to do. So go ahead to your TikTok account, wherever it may be on your phone, and we're going to go to the magnifying glass at the top right hand corner, and we're just go ahead and type in a person's name. So in this example, I'm just going to type in Bryce Harper. It's just a baseball player, nothing really too crazy, and we're going to go ahead and type that in. And you should get a verification blue check by their name if there's someone that has an actual account and uses the account. So I'm just going to go ahead and click the very top option here. And then once that loads, it's going to load you to their page. Go ahead and click on their name. And now you're on their official TikTok page. From here, you have the option to follow the person, look through their content, use TikTok like you normally would. But if we back out of here, what we can do is just go ahead and just search for companies' names as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and type in, let's say, Disney World, and I'll go ahead and search that. And you should have some options here as far as users and accounts and different things. So it's easy to do. It's easy to filter through and find the users that you want. So that's it. It's very simple and very easy to search for people